In the last 2 hours, a former Northwoods police officer learned his sentence. Samuel Davis will now serve 10 years in prison on charges connected to the brutal assault of a handcuffed man. 5 on your sides, Laura Barczewski spoke with attorneys for both sides of this case, and she joins us live outside the federal courthouse in downtown St. Louis. Laura.
Mike, former Northwoods police officer Samuel Davis got very emotional in court today as he addressed the judge before sentencing. He maintains his innocence. In March, a federal jury found Davis guilty of violating Charles Garman's civil rights. Another former officer and Davis's supervisor at the time, Michael Hill, who was also accused of having a role in what happened, was acquitted of all federal charges. The incident happened on the 4th of July in 2023. Garman was taken into custody by Davis for alleged shoplifting from a Walgreens. Prosecutors say Davis drove Garman to a field in Kinloch where he, quote, used nearly every tool at his disposal to hurt him. The pre-sentencing report called for 12 to 15 years in prison, and after a lot of consideration, Judge Stephen Clark sentenced him to 10 years. Clark called Garman a skilled manipulator and menace to society. He said, quote, while the frustrations with him are understandable, the actions against him are unforgivable. I got reaction from the defense and prosecutors.
I feel like we were heard. That's our role. Our role is to present the facts and to seek a reasonable sentence for the victim in this case. Obviously, Judge Clark gave it a lot of thought, and 10 years is a very stiff sentence, so I can live with that.
It's not the sentence that I would have hoped for, but the flip side of it is I certainly understand his perspective, and again, I'm grateful for his thoughtfulness in that regard.
Davis said before the sentencing he was at peace with the verdict, saying, quote, if I was prepared to die for citizens, I must be prepared to suffer as well. Reporting live downtown, Laura Barczewski, 5 on your side.